It's magic in the forest, floating on the breeze. There are wonders everywhere in here, all around the mighty trees. Let's take a closer look. You'll see before your very eyes. The forest is full of special things. You're in for a surprise. There's magic up on the forest branches, with many types of bird. Listen to them sing their songs, the sweetest sounds you've ever heard. High up in the treetops is the place where birds like best to raise their little chicks from eggs in the safety of a nest. There's magic in the forest glades with flowers to smell and touch. Purple flowers. Pink flowers. Red flowers. Yellow flowers. And all the colors we love so much. The forest is full of many bugs. I wonder what we'll see. Here's a very busy insect called a bumblebee. These creatures leave a shiny trail. They slide along. They're called a snail. The caterpillar eats all day. There is a reason why. They need a lot of energy to become a butterfly. Don't move. Don't blink an eye. These special creatures are very shy. It started life as a caterpillar. Now it's a beautiful butterfly. There's magic in the multitude of many different leaves. With colors, shapes, and patterns you simply have to see. Let's count how many pine cones fall to the forest floor. 1 pine cone, 2 pine cones, 3 pine cones, 4, More pine cones will surely fall. Who knows exactly when? Wait, there's number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There's magic in the patterns on the trunks of different trees. It's Mother Nature's magic touch. Her wonders never cease. Indeed, the forest has magic powers. What a wonderful place to spend a few hours. But it's time to go, the little people know, on our adventurous way. Come along, everyone. We'll have more fun as we laugh and learn and play.